सोची समझी खिलाड़ी यहाँ पर पूरे एक ही जगह पे कट एंड कट गेम खेलते हुए। फिर से एक लंबी पास यहाँ पर, बहुत बढ़िया, बीच में से निकाले, अच्छी पास।
Jersey number 13.
जोहान रियांग थे वहां पर।
But you see, it's an offside. What an unfortunate. Johan Riang ran after the ball, but could not make it.
बना सकते थे वहां पर, पीछे रह जाते थोड़ा सा वहां पर, बना के जा सकते थे आगे की तरफ। अगर आप लेफ्ट फॉरवर्ड की तरफ जा रहे हैं लेफ्ट विंग में, तो फिर आपको थोड़ा वहां ध्यान भी रखना होगा इस चीज का। लेकिन रफ्तार इतनी तेज रहती है ना,
5 किलो লাগবে না 2 লাখ।
And you see, Mithun, if you're looking into the scoreboard, Dalai Antlers with 2 and Unakudi Challengers yet to open their account on the
অন্যান্য অতিথি
जी बिल्कुल, जिस तरह से 2 गोल अब तक हासिल कर लिए हैं 17-18 मिनट के अंदर, तो आगे चल के ये हल्के में नहीं ले सकते इनको।
No, not at all. You cannot just take it so lightly because Dalai Antlers looking very strong as of now. I don't know what exactly will the Unakoti Challengers be able to compete. But you never know what happens, and Unakoti Challengers may be able to score a few more in a later period of time.
इससे पहले भी जब धलाई एंटलर्स का गेम था वेस्ट विकिंग्स की तरफ, 15 तारीख को मैच हुआ था वो, इसमें भी बिमानजॉय रियांग ने एक गोल किया था उसमें, और जकारिया मॉल्सम जिसकी बात कर रहे हैं उन्होंने भी एक गोल किया था। तो ये टीम को अब उस टीम को हराया था, वेस्ट विकिंग्स को, जो पिछली बार की विनिंग टीम थी।
Right. West Vikings really, was a strong team in the previous year. But this time in the previous season that they have done, I don't know if they are being able to do it this time in the season 2. But yes, let us see what comes up in the result today from Ratanpur as well. Probably we'll get to know in the evening later today. And Dalai Antlers, doing so well as of now. And Unakoti Challengers will have to look into the matter very soon, because later in the day, I don't know if they will be able to make will be able to put the score in the scoreboard. So it is very difficult to, say anything as of now. But Dalai Antlers looking very, very strong and aggressive, and have already scored 2 in the first few minutes.
इससे भी दर्शाता है जो खिलाड़ी हैं उनके प्रतिभा को इस तरह से दर्शाया जाता है, जिस तरह का ये एक तरह से TTAADC ने जिस तरह का ये इनिशिएटिव लिया है फुटबॉल को लेके, पिछले 2 सालों से इसको लेके, वो बिल्कुल काबिले तारीफ है।
Yes, and so the youngsters or the young players are getting opportunity to play in such a wonderful playground like in Komalung and Jampujola and other places. It is nice, to see that such initiative has been taken. See how Zakaria is running after the ball out there. And there is no defender from the Unakoti Challengers. I don't know why, but I think they should really look into this situation as soon as possible. Otherwise, they will have to run after the ball, and it'll be very tiresome for them. You see how the Dalai Antlers saving the ball, taking the ball left and right, pushing it to and fro. Nicely played so far. You see, how they've been passing the ball within the man, and it's so nice to see them run after the ball. Again, it's in the hand of Zakaria Molsam. There can be another chance, and it's a goal again. Zakaria. Sorry, it's not Zakaria. It's Varsanga Dalong. Varsanga Dalong, such beautifully done.